Hey, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you which is better for marketing. Is it Telegram groups or Telegram channels? So let's discuss. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to download the Telegram app. You can use this link for your Android device, or if you are an iPhone or iPad users, you can also choose this link for the PC or Linux users. And for Mac OS, just click on the below link, and by following the on-screen instructions, you are good to go. Now, once you are here, deciding between Telegram groups and channels for marketing depends on your specific goals and audience, because the choice between groups and channels depends on your marketing strategy, because for more interactive and community-driven marketing, of course, groups might be preferable. But for broadcasting messages to a large audience with minimal interaction, channels are more suitable. And many businesses uses a combination of both for a balanced approach. Now let's go to the group first. Now, Telegram groups allow for more interaction among members because everyone can participate in discussions, share opinions, ask questions, and that create a sense of community and engagement. Of course, members can post content, which can be beneficial for user-generated content or fostering a sense of belonging. Now, you as a group admin, you have more control over the content and discussions, and you can moderate discussions, you can remove spam and guide conversations, because groups can be private, which might be useful for exclusive communities or closed discussions. But take note, there's a limit to the number of members you can have. As of the moment, please correct me if I'm wrong, it's around 200,000. If your audience exceeds that, you might need to have a multiple groups. Now let's go to the next aspect, which is now channels are more suited for broadcasting messages to a large audience because only admin can post. So it's a one-way communication channel because it doesn't have unlimited number of subscribers. So if you're aiming for a broad reach, channels might be more effective. Now, channels are great for sharing content like news updates and announcement, product launches, and it provides basic analytics, allowing you to see how many people viewed your message. And since member can post in channels, there's less engagement compared to groups. Now, the thing is, which is better for marketing? I believe that groups are better for fostering engagement, building a community, and encouraging discussion. Now, if you wanted to create your group, all you have to do is just hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on New Group. And all you have to do is group your name, okay? And you can also put a picture on your group name. You also have an option, the ellipsis, if you want to have an auto-delete. Now, all you have to do is just follow the instructions and just choose the members that you wanted to put on this specific group. Now, on the other hand, channels are better for broadcasting announcement, updates, promotions, and other one-way communication. They're useful for reaching a large audience with overwhelming them with notifications. And again, it's the same process. All you have to do is just go to the left side panel of your dashboard, go to the channel name, and rename your channel as something like this one. And again, you can add your photo just like this. And once click on the create option, click on create. Now, if you wanted to put your group to a specific channel that you created, we have a separate video for that, and you might want to check on our channel, please. And now here's a perfect example of a Telegram group that you can join, and also this one is for the Telegram channel. Okay, and always remember that choosing between groups and channels depends on your marketing strategy. And again, for more interactive and community-driven marketing, groups, I believe, is more suited for you. Now, for broadcasting messages to a large audience with minimal interaction, channels are more suitable because many businesses uses a combination of both for a balanced approach. I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and to do well on Telegram, keep giving good stuff, know your audience, and join in with your community. And most importantly, success on Telegram means understanding your people, picking the right way to talk to them, and using good plans to reach your goals. You have to be flexible and change things up if needed, and always give value to your audience for better growth and interaction on the platform. I believe I would see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.